To make you hungry, we are back again this week with our exciting episode. Juicy grilled tenderloin steaks, healthy salads, some innovative pizzas and lots more. Watch out to the end of this exciting episode while we sell you through the delicious, flavoursome, fresh Italian and French food from the Steak Factory, Kolkata.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Hunger Knocks, and guess where we are today? Seems like we are in Little Texas, but no, we are not in Texas. We are in Calcutta. This place is amazing. This place is called the Steak Factory, which is right bang on the Kali Kapoor Road. And let's check it out. I think they have a lot of things to offer. Come follow me.
Hi, good evening.
Hi.
Welcome to Steak Factory, Kali Kapoor.
Thank you.
You can go upstairs, right?
Wow, this place is really amazing. With a lot of graffitis on the wall. Can we just find out what it's all about? Hi, my name is Prasanjit. I'm just a little curious about the graffiti and the design. Would you like to tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, actually we have tried to give it a Texas kind of salon look.
Wow.
Alright.
So that's cool.
That was the main idea about it.
Yeah.
And you can see if you go upstairs, you can find a lot of different kind of Hollywood, old classic movies, or I mean the old 80s bands and all.
Alright, and who's fond of it? Are you fond of it? This place is...
Actually the decoration was my idea.
Oh wow, so he's the guy. He's the guy. So your name is?
Anirban.
Anirban. So Anirban is the guy behind this amazing design. Alright, can we check out the upstairs?
Yeah, sure. Please come.
Oh guys, they have a dartboard as well. I'm really fond of darts. Alright, so I'm here. The menu looks pretty interesting, done on a cardboard and with a lot of pages. So let me take you through the menu. So the Steak Factory offers us a lot of salad options, some starters options, and a lot of steak options, of course, and a special section for fish and pizza. And of course, when you're having steaks, we also like it presented on a very nice way on a sizzler plate, so they have that option as well. And you have a very nice selection of kebabs, and it just goes on and on with dessert and a lot of freshen up coolers. I think that's mocktails. I think it's pretty interesting, and we have ordered for 3 course, actually 4 course. Started with salad. Main course we are going for Tenderloin Steak, and we have a very special item. We're not going to disclose it now. The owner of this place, Demalo himself, is going to come and tell you what exactly he's bringing into the platter of Kolkata. A very new thing, and it ends up with an amazing dessert, our very favorite blueberry cheesecake.
How are you?
I'm good, Demalo. Thank you so much, guys. Let me introduce Demalo. He's the man behind the story of the Steak Factory.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so Demalo, we have ordered for a lot of things. If we can request, we can go to the kitchen and check out how the chef prepares it.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Why not?
Oh wow, he's an amazing guy. Let's check out. Let's come and follow me. We'll go to the kitchen.
It is always a delight to see your food cooked in front of you. So while we were at the kitchen, the chefs made all our food orders one by one. The first one to go was the Pisa Pot Pie, which is a type of inverted pizza made with mushrooms, sausages and tomatoes, and lots of mozzarella cheese as well. The Pisa Pot Pie is an easy recipe. First, grease the mold with butter and add cheese slices. In a pan, add oil, garlic, chili flakes, Italian condiments, tomato concasse, and then add the chopped mushroom and sausages in it. Then grate some mozzarella cheese on top. Use as much as cheese as you can and put the mixture in the pot. Now make a fresh pizza dough, fork the pizza base and cover it over the mold to bake for 15 minutes.
Alright guys, so when the pizza pot pie is getting baked, in the meanwhile the chef is preparing an amazing salad, an amazing Caesar salad, a classic one with olive oil and garlic dressing. Let's check it out. So guys, so here's the delicacy that we were talking about, the dish of the evening, and it's called the Pisa Pot Pie. And I would like to welcome Demallo on the table with me to explain you this new delicacy, a new addition to the Calcutta's platter. So Demallo, can we have you explain this food? And yeah, please have a seat. So Demallo, this dish looks amazing and very interesting. Would you like to tell something more to the viewers about this dish?
Yeah, sure, definitely. See, this is a pizza pot pie. So basically, currently we can proudly say this nowhere else available other than the steak factory outlets. So this is basically a fusion of pie and all the contents of a pizza. So you've seen
yeah, so I've seen, so we'll show the viewers about the preparations as well.
So it basically contains a piece of chicken sausage, there's mushroom, there's a red sauce, the normal pizza sauce which is, and there's mozzarella cheese, and there's loads of other cheese, the processed cheese, and everything is there.
That's great. The preparation we all know, but how this idea came up to you, and how
this is I won't say this is a very innovative idea. I would just say I bought this in Kolkata. That's all.
Okay.
It's already there in Chicago. It's pretty popular there.
All right.
There are joints solely running on this product.
Okay.
They do not sell anything else. That's the pot pie pizza. Unfortunately, I don't remember the name of the joint right now.
That's alright.
But it's in Chicago. It's already there. So bringing it to Kolkata was something, the achievement of my partners and me. So that I can tell.
Oh, that's great. The joint is not important. The important is food, and this food looks amazing. And we should all thank him for bringing this delicacy to Calcutta. So I can't wait. I'm just going to try the first bite out of it. Yes, I saw it preparing. I'm waiting it for a long time. Nice. So you eat this part as well, the whole thing?
Everything? You're supposed to eat the entire thing.
The entire thing. It is actually like a pizza.
So you can also tell this is basically the freshest pizza available, because the dough has to be made right on spot, else it will be really hard. No one can eat it then.
Oh wow. It's the freshest pizza in the city. It's right here. So guys, you know now where to come to try the nearest type of pizza if you're bored of other pizzas available. So after having so much oily and calorie food, I'm actually trying to reduce my tummy. So just trying out a salad for the first time. So guys, let me taste the salad, an authentic Caesar salad with vinegar dressing and breadcrumbs, lettuce, a lot of cheese, cucumber, and celery on top. So that's amazing. So guys, the salad was really nice. Very good appetizer. Appetizing the stomach for the main thing, which is on its way. The Tenderloin Steak. I've been long waiting for that. Let's check it out.
The tenderloin is the softest part of beef. For the marination, cilantro, garlic, white pepper, mustard, WC sauce, olive oil is used. The meat is hammered and slitted and kept for marination and then grilled on orders. Tenderloin steak is best served with mashed potato and tossed vegetables in butter garlic. Beef stock, mushrooms, red wine is used to prepare the sauce for the steak.
But guys, I'm going for the first bite. Looks pretty tender. Get in. So this dish comes with a pepper mushroom sauce with sauteed vegetables and a lovely looking mashed potato. So I'm going to put some mashed potato on it. Take my first bite. They put some sauce on it. The steak is medium done. You can have it well done, you can have it rare done. They'll do it accordingly. It's an amazing service here. Amazing feeling. This is heavenly. Shall I try some? No vegetables? Alright, I'll get a steak. So we started with salad, then steak, then pizza pot pie, and I'm fully here, but there's always some space left for an amazing dessert that makes you happy. So I'm going for the cheesecake. Cheesecake. Thank you so much. This is one of my favorite desserts, and whenever I get a chance, I taste it everywhere. Cheese cake is melting in my mouth with 3 flavors at one time. The sweet flavor of the blueberry topping, the cheese, and a salty crust. Amazing feeling. This looks like me, yeah? Let me take a selfie with myself. So guys, we hope you like this video and the fun and the food. So please do like, share, and please hit the red button which is called subscribe and the घंटा बजा देना भाई. घंटा बजाओगे हम लोग आ जाएंगे, सुनाई दे देगा हमारे यहाँ पर. और अगर किसी ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया ना, then you know I'm the one who knocks.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.